Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your host, Abraham Arellano from the Philippines. So today presentation is about this primitive rock that form the Earth and other solar system like Mars and other Venus. And before we start, please don't forget to click the notification bell and subscribe my channel. So as we start, this kind of rock, we call this as a meteorite. So there are uh, grouped by in three main groups. This one meteorite, they differ in their iron, nickel, metal, and what they reveal about the solar system. So number one, the iron meteorite. They're about completely made of metal. Is Stony-iron meteorite with an nearly equal amount of metal and silicate crystals. The second is a stony meteorite, which mostly have silicate minerals and they are classified into many more classes and type depending on the mineral's content, structure, and chemistry. And most iron meteorites are thought to be the cause of asteroids that melted nearly in their history. They consist of mainly of iron nickel metal with a small amount of sulfide and carbon or carbide minerals. Mostly specimens are showing dark fusion crust. Samples are meteorite from melted or asteroids of decay radioactive elements of iron being dense and sank to the center form metallic core known as the differentiated meteorite because they experience chemical and physical changes solidifying from molten state. This is also similar to terrestrial planet in which they are formed this iron metal as made mainly of iron nickel alloy with distinctive crystalline structure known as Wismanstatten texture formed by varying level of nickel and have wide variation in texture and mixed mineral which they produce many group and subgroup. The last one we call the Stony-iron meteorite consists of almost equal parts of iron, nickel, metal, and silicate mineral, including the precious and semi-precious stone. And they are considered some of the most beautiful meteorite have different type. This number one, the palisade and the mesosiderite. Palisade contain big, beautiful volume or green crystals form of magnesium iron silicate called the olivine embedded entirely in metal, sometimes the core as cluster to create pattern of veins through solid metal. This formation is similar with iron melts as palisade meteorite samples revealed as they could tell us a lot of formation of Earth and other terrestrial planets. While mesosiderite meteorites are breccias of variety of rocks of broken fragments of minerals on rock cemented together while finer materials contain mix of igneous silicate and metal class. This is siderite formed when debris from collision between two asteroids is mixed together and no molten metal mixed together with solid fragments of silicate rocks. Therefore, both meteorite reveals a snapshot of condition of asteroid to melt and form iron cores. The stony meteorites consist of two main types, the chondrites and the achondrites. Both have many subgroups based on their composition, structure, and materials they contain. The chondrites are most primitive and pristine rocks in the solar system and have never been melted at over 4.5 billion years as old as the Earth formed. They are made of from droplets and silicate mineral mixed with small grains of sulfide and iron nickel. Chondrite are the materials from which the solar system formed, and they can tell us about a lot about the solar system form. And some most the basic type as carbonaceous chondrites are rich in water, sulfur, and organic materials, while the achondrite they are igneous rock. At some points they were melted into a magma. When magma cools and crystallizes, it creates a concentric layer and structure process known as the igneous differentiated meteorite. So that brings me to end my presentation today. And don't forget to like and share and update my incoming videos. Thank you very much for watching and your loving support.